In this video, we are looking at a very small Android application samples that is finally an input text and a button and then a text field here. We want to ask for a username to print finally a greeting message to then what we do here, ask Alice, we have a user Alice. If you type Arnaud, it won't work because there is no user in the database Arnaud. Then let's go back. You can see here that this application is using then really vanilla Android, the compose, and here we on the button we trigger directly the view model. This view model say hello, then we'll prepare the message to be displayed in the text field on the Android view. Then we ask the user service to get the user, and we ask the user service to prepare the message. And this user service will use a user repository component to manage the user data. You see here, I'm using by ViewModels, the Google Android API of the ViewModel to make the injection. Then it's here, it's manual injection, and we will use Koin DSL, right? You see that I'm using a user ViewModel instance. I'm creating by end the user ViewModel instance with a DI object, a static DI object that is finally helping me to create manually the wiring of my components. You see, user service implementation is uses constructor to pass the dependencies. Then everything is dependency constructor injection, right? There is another video that talks about these samples with annotation, but here in the DSL, we can do the same very quickly. Let's use by ViewModel to inject our ViewModel, and then let's use a App Module file to declare App Module with the Koin DSL, right? And then let's declare a ViewModel of our user ViewModel. And let's import first user ViewModel, right? Then let's do the same with our singleton. We would like to have singleton of user service amp, right? We need to import it, and we need also to not forget to bind it to any interface service, right? Then we can bind the definition with that. And the last definition here, the user repository implementation that is binding user repository. We have our view model, our two singletons. Then now we need to start it directly in our main application entry point. We don't need that anymore. We can just call start Koin with our modules, app module, right? That's it. You're done. Then we can restart the application. You will see that it's restarting directly, and I can find again Alice with just module sections and a few keywords, view model of, single of, and then all your classes. You see that everything is constructor injection. At the end, in the activity, we need just by view model, that is a wrapper of by view models, the Google Android API, and then you're done. Super.